Welcome back to Marian's World, everyone, on December 19th. And I'm going to put 19 up here. No more high ones to do now. And today I've chosen my little knitted snowman to go up. And he can just go here, turn you around. There his little happy faces. Well, yesterday was busy. So busy that I just ended up putting the camera up and filming bits and pieces of what I did during the day, and you're just going to get a little few minutes of what went on. I did get some of my decorations up. I didn't bring my Christmas tree in, so that's happening today, and either Luke or Wendy will help me get it in from the backyard and get it into the corner so I can decorate it later on, let's hope. It's a lovely sunny day here today, lovely clear skies, but it's super cold. So I hope all your preparations are coming along apace, because there's not much time left now, and I am fiddling away with so many things, trying to get things ready for people that I need to give them to. It's not that many, but they still need to be done. So today, what I should be doing is, hopefully I'm going to be baking a cake that you'll see the recipe for tomorrow, I think. And it's a good alternative cake to a fruit cake. If you are not keen on fruit cake for Christmas, you want something different, it's a really good keeper, and it's the sort of cake that you can make now and it will just improve by Christmas Day. So with any luck, that recipe will be coming tomorrow, I hope. So we'll see. I'll keep my fingers crossed anyway. So I hope you enjoy the little snippet of my day from yesterday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. See you tomorrow. I've just finished filming the Advent Garland for this morning, being Wednesday morning, and realised what was I going to be doing today for tomorrow's video. And I just thought, I've got quite a lot to do today. Why don't I just film what I'm doing? And so that's what I'm going to do. Well, the first thing on the list is editing tonight's video, and so I've got all the video footage on here, and I'm trying to do a voiceover, which I'm not really very good at doing them. I don't feel quite as natural talking over the film as I do when I'm just talking to you, because sometimes I just think there's only one person at the other end of the camera. But anyway, I have to do this today so that you can see this tonight, and then the video I'm videoing now can be tomorrow's. So, as soon as I get this done, I'll be off to the supermarket because I need to bake a cake. And now it's ready, so I can actually put it onto YouTube. So hooray, I'm nearly at the end. Well, it's now 3 o'clock. It's taken me a little bit longer than I expected, but I'm now off to the supermarket, so you can join me in the kitchen next. Oh, I've just got back in from shopping. It's already dark and I haven't got my Christmas tree in yet, but I'm going to put my shopping away and make a cup of tea and get the cake prepared. So, shopping away first. Kettle on while I do it. I can't be doing anything without a cup of tea going on. Lid on, that can brew for Luke and for me. Oh, I can start now. So I still use the really old-fashioned scales, and I do love them. I feel as if I'm nearly there. I just usually touch them and see where they settle. And I'm sure these are more accurate than anything else. That's perfect. I can just go in a bowl to wait. Final ingredient, and then be ready to get into the cake tins. Looking good so far. Just making sure that they're nice and spread out. Going straight in the oven. Keep your fingers crossed that they're going to come out nice. Fingers crossed. The cakes are cooling nicely, and so I'm happy with the way they look. They're just going to get wrapped up until I decorate the cake. Well, while I've been doing the cakes, Luke's got all the Christmas decorations down for me and put them in the sitting room. So I'm going to see what I can do. A lot of them will be for the Christmas tree. That was an easy one to do. I do have my lovely Christmas trees. They're on a tutorial from last year's advent calendar. They're going up in the dining room this year. That can just go in there. Perfect. Well, I've done as much as I can. The Christmas tree bunting's up. Candles are in. I've decided to let the crow hoard all the silver and the jewels. He'll be happy with them there. Over on the sideboard here, the Chinese glass baubles just look pretty grouped together in a bowl. Get a log on to get it started. Oh, maybe not one. Oops. Use a paper. Just like in the old days. I don't think it'll take very long to get going. All the wood's nice and dry. Really, I should have cleaned the ash out, but I think I'll do that tomorrow after I put the tree up, because there'll be lots and lots to vacuum and everything. I think that's going to count as on that quick. Right, everything's just waiting for the Christmas tree to come in, but the fire's looking cosy, and I'm going to sit down and have a cup of tea.